Welcome back in the last video of this course. So in this course I'm going to show you how to make in this video sorry I'm going to show you how to make an output for your work on Civil 3D. So first of all you need to head to the output tab here as you see, then go to the create view frames, hit on it and next, then create view frames. Then as you can see here we have them along the road. It depends on your corridor and your alignment, so it might be so big like this and it might be so small that bounds only the corridor. Okay, so the second thing to do is to go to the create sheets, then wait for it here. Then hit on north, choose north from here, next, choose the align profile and plane view at center, next, then create sheets. It will ask you to save, hit on OK. Here you need to choose a point. Okay, let's choose here and we wait for it to make the output for us. Okay, after it finishes we will have this window. We will hit on this, and for me I have it here, slides at the left. Then I'm gonna double click here to see what I got. Okay, so this is the output I got from the Civil 3D for my way. Okay, if you could zoom here you could see the station here is the same as here, as here. Everything is completely identical. Okay, yeah, so these are the sample lines and this is the profile along the road. So as you can see here we have our roads going to be on fill, then it makes cut at this point here. Yeah, so you can see other outputs other than sheet 1, sheet 2. You have sheet 2 and sheet 3. So this is all for this video. I hope you've enjoyed my course. Okay, if you have any comments, any advices for me that could make me better, or if you have any kind of things you want to say, feel free to say it. Thank you everyone for watching this course. Abbas was with you. I wish you a good day. Bye bye. This is the end. Bye bye.